These are the elevators at the Hyatt Place Garage, Legacy Village in Lyndhurst, Ohio. Got this one. 205. These are Otis Gen2s. Here we go. Here 5. Go down to G. Door closes, works. And cab view. Pretty basic. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. Here G. Set this up to 4. Watch that one go. Let's get the other one. Here's the other one. This is the one that I did last year. Here we go. Here 5. That is lovely. Door is horrible. Identical cab to the other one. Capacity is 3,500 pounds. Pretty basic Gen2s. Here G. Here's the certificate. There goes, and that will be it.